नमस्ते, सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और पहले आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे सेंसेक्स के बारे में। सेंसेक्स टुडे स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव अपडेट्स, गिफ्ट निफ्टी ट्रेड्स लोअर, नोमुरा इन यूनाइटेड, IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक। Sensex today stock market live updates. The Nifty ended the weekly expire session lower but has managed to defend the 26,150 mark on the downside multiple times. That level becomes key as there is significant put writing on that strike. The 26,250 to 26,300 zone remains one of the congestion for the index and surprising that could lead to the further gains as per analysis. Sensex today stock market live updates. The rally on Wall Street continue overnight, with indices having now gained for all three trading sessions in 2026 so far. The same throw cannot be said for our own market as the range-bound softness continues on Dalal Streets. The Nifty ended the weekly expire session lower but has managed to define the 26,150 mark on the downside multiple times. That level becomes key as there is significant put writing on that strike. The 26,250 to 26,300 zone remains one of congestion for the index and the surprising that could lead to the further gain as per analysis. The two index heavyweight Reliance Industry and IDFC Bank will be keenly watched today as their underperformance dragged the Nifty lower on Tuesday. IDFC Bank underperformance was the offset by its peer led by ICICI banks, which led to the Nifty Bank substantially above 60,000. Business updates continue to strike in which the reaction likely in GCPL, Titan and other consumer-oriented stock. Keep an eye on the Meso and Tata Capital as well. Watch this space or follow live updates. थैंक यू। और वीडियो थोड़ा लाइक एंड शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब और लेटेस्ट वीडियो पाने के लिए मेरे चैनल से जुड़ी रहिए स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। थैंक यू।